Have you been in a situation where you have excess cash balance lying in your electronic cash ledger on the GST portal? Have you wondered how you can get this excess cash balance as a refund? Well, all it takes is to file Form GST RFD-01. In this video, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to file refund application in Form GST RFD-01 for excess cash balance lying in your electronic cash ledger. Hello and welcome, I'm Annapurna from Clear, from the makers of Clear Tax. It is India's largest tax and financial services platform. Clear serves more than 3,000 large enterprises and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. If you would like to get clear explanations of updates relating to GST, e-invoicing, e-way-bills and much more, then please do subscribe to our channel. The steps to file application for refund of GST as excess cash balance in your electronic cash ledger are many. But don't worry, I will take you through each step one by one. Step 1. Log into the GST portal at www.gst.gov.in. Please note that casual taxable persons or non-resident taxable persons whose registration was not granted but wish to claim refund can log into the GST portal using the temporary reference number or TRN. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to Services, then Refunds, then click on Application for Refund. Step 3. On the Select the Refund Type page, select the reason as refund of excess balance in electronic cash ledger and then click on the Create Refund Application button. Step 4. The GST RFD-01 excess balance in electronic cash ledger page gets displayed. Note that the balances available in the electronic cash ledger will be auto-populated in the Form GST RFD-01. Step 5. Enter the amount of refund to be claimed for IGST, CGST, SGST and cess in the table Refund Claimed. Note that this amount should be equal to or less than the balance available in electronic cash ledger. If you wish to view the details of your liabilities or dues relating to your returns or other than returns, click on the hyperlink, click to view electronic liability ledger. Once done, click on the Go Back to Refund Form button to return to the refund application page. Step 6. In the next section of the form, choose the account number from the Select Account Number drop-down list. Note here that non-resident taxable person and casual taxpayers who have logged in with a temporary reference number or TRN and wish to claim a refund will need to fill in all the bank details as displayed. Step 7. Next on the form, you can upload supporting documents, if any, under the section Upload Supporting Documents. Enter the document description and click on Choose File. You can click on Delete button to delete the document. Once the form is filled in, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. You will receive a success message stating that your application has been saved. You can retrieve this application and submit the same within 15 days. To access the application, go to Services, then Refunds, then My Saved or Filed Applications. I hope you found this video useful so far. Before I move on to filing of refund application and a special section on CBIC clarifications on refund related issues, I would like to remind you to type in your GST queries in the comment section of this video. Our experts will answer them for you. Step 8. You can click on the Preview button to download the form in PDF format. Step 9. Once you have verified all the details, click on Proceed at the bottom right-hand corner. Note that in order to proceed filing a refund application, the taxpayer has to authenticate Aadhaar or upload eKYC documents. If neither has been done, then the following message will be displayed on the screen. However, in case the Aadhaar authentication is in progress, then following message will be displayed. You can file a refund application only once your Aadhaar authentication gets completed. Alternatively, in case your eKYC documents have been uploaded, you can either click on Navigate to My Profile to authenticate your Aadhaar or click on Proceed to File button to continue filing your refund application. Step 10. Next, select the declaration checkbox and the name of the authorized signatory from the drop-down list. Finally, click on the File with DSC or File with EVC button, whichever is applicable to you, and then proceed to file your refund application. Post filing, A success message will be displayed on the screen and status will be changed to submitted. The application reference number or ARN receipt will also be downloaded as well as sent on your email address and mobile phone number. You can click on the PDF to open the receipt. The GST portal will make a debit entry in the electronic cash ledger for the amount claimed as refund. Taxpayers should note that once the ARN is generated on filing of refund application, the application along with the documents attached will be assigned to a refund processing officer for processing your refund. Taxpayers can track the status of refund application using Track Status functionality. The disbursement of refund will be made once the concerned tax official processes and sanctions the refund application. The CBIC had issued a circular in 2021 clarifying certain issues relating to refunds. Let me briefly take you through the clarifications. First one are the provisions of CGST section 54 subsection 1 regarding time period within which application for refund can be filed applicable in cases of refund of excess balance in electronic cash ledger? The answer is that the circular says no. The provisions of section 54 subsection 1 with regard to 2-year time period will not apply in case of refund of excess balance in electronic cash ledger. Second, is a certificate or declaration under Rule 89 Sub-Rule 2 clauses L and M of the CGST Rules 2017 required to be furnished for refund of excess balance in electronic cash ledger? Answer is that the circular says no. The furnishing of a certificate or declaration under Rule 89 Sub-Rule 2 clauses L or M for not passing on the incidence of tax to any other person is not required in cases of refund of excess balance in electronic cash ledger, as the unjust enrichment clause is not applicable in such cases. Third, can the refund of TDS or TCS deposited in electronic cash ledger under the provisions of Section 51 or 52 of CGST Act can be refunded as excess balance in the cash ledger? Answer is that the circular says that any amount deducted or collected as TDS or TCS under provisions of 51 or 52 sections of CGST Act and credited to electronic cash ledger will be equivalent to the cash deposited in electronic cash ledger. Hence, any amount which remains unutilized in the electronic cash ledger after the discharge of tax dues and other dues payable can be refunded to the registered person. However, this will be in accordance with the proviso to subsection 1 of section 54 read with subsection 6 of section 49 of the CGST Act. Are you looking for a GST solution that is fast, easy to use and error-free? Are you looking for a one-click data reconciliations in light of the new GST amendments? Well, you don't have to look any further. Let me introduce you to Clear GST solution. Clear GST offers users a host of exclusive features for 100% accurate GST return filing, powered by multiple validations at every step. With Clear Tax GST, you can connect with hundreds of ERPs and import data error-free. File all returns from GSTR 1 to GSTR 9C and many more made at least 3 times faster. Match over 6,000 invoices in less than a minute and detect 100% tax credits with AI-powered matching. Get 2 to 7% tax savings with smart reconciliation and reports. Get multiple validations done at every step reviewed by over 60 tax experts and choose from a variety of smart analytical reports available on tap. If you would like to get a demo of Clear GST filing software to understand how you can file error-free returns and get up to 7% tax savings, then please click on the link given in the video description and enter your contact details. One of our product experts will get in touch with you to schedule a demo at your convenience. We have now come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video useful and you can file a GST refund application with ease. Please don't forget to click on the link given in the description below to explore the Clear GST solution. Also, if you found the video helpful, then please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.